Hi everyone. In this video, we will look into the viewing angles of Hisense Q-LED 55 U6G. First of all, I will set the camera at an approximate angle of 30 degrees. Screen is visible clearly. Now, we will increase the angle slowly to see the picture quality and viewing angles. Now, the angle is approximately 50 degrees. Let's move it to the front of the TV. Now, one more step towards 180 degrees. Approximately 130 degrees. Now, the final viewing angle of approximate 160 degrees. I must say the viewing angles are pretty wisely managed in this TV. I hope this will help you decide whether to go with this one or not. Thank you.